Okay, paper 2. Question number 1. Solve the following simultaneous equation. So you have 3 equations here. 1, 2, and 3. So for simultaneous, we can either use elimination or substitution. In this case, I think I'm going to use elimination. And when we eliminate, we need to choose one variable to eliminate. Are we going to eliminate P, Q, or R? In this case, I think the easiest would be, I think I'll go with Q. I'll eliminate Q. Yeah, I'll try eliminate Q. So we got 3 equations. Okay, let me just rewrite the equations. So you got 2P minus Q minus R equals 6. P plus 2Q minus 4R equals 8. 3P plus Q minus R equals 2. So I can actually eliminate the Q because it's not too difficult. So we got 3 equations here. So the first equation, I'm going to pair the first and the third. Okay, and then this one is negative, this is positive. So to eliminate, I have to add them together. So first equation plus second equation. So what I will get is 2 plus 3, I get 5P. And then negative Q plus positive Q, I get 0 because I eliminate. Then negative R plus negative R, I get negative 2R equals to 6 plus 2 is 8. So I got my fourth equation. Now the next one, I'm going to pair between since this is 2Q, I have to times 2. So I'm going to take the first equation here, times 2, so that I can make it become 2Q. Okay, so let me write down here, equation 1 times 2, and then I'm going to plus equation 2. Okay, so the equation will become, okay, let me just times first. So 4P minus 2Q minus 2R equals 12. And then the equation 2 is this. So I'm going to add them. So I'll get 5P, this one eliminate, and then negative minus 6R equals 20. This is equation 5. Okay, so now we notice that the P and the P are already the same, so we can eliminate that as well. How are we going to eliminate? We can minus. So I take equation 5 minus equation 4. So 5P minus 5P is 0. Negative 6 minus negative 2, I'll get negative 4. So I get negative 4R equals to 20 minus 8, I get 12. So R equals to negative 3. Okay, so we found the first one. So now we can find the second one by substituting in either equation 4 or equation 5. Okay, so I'm going to use 4. So if I use 4, so equation 4, substitute R equals negative 3 into equation 4. So I will get 5P minus 2R is negative 3 equals to 8. So 5P plus 6 equals to 8. So what I'll get is P equals to 8 minus 6 is 2, so 2 over 5. Okay, or 0.4. Okay, then what else we can use, which will be easier? I will go with equation 2. So I'm going to substitute R equals negative 3 and P equals 2 over 5 into equation 2. Okay, so what I will get is P is 2 over, actually why am I doing P? Why am I doing equation 2? I can use equation 1. Yeah, I'll do 1, my bad. 1 is much easier. So 2P, P is 2 over 5 minus Q minus R is negative 3 equals to 6. So I'll get 4 over 5 minus, you know what, I'm going to shift the negative Q over. so I get positive q. So here will be plus 3 minus 6 equals to q. So q equals to 4 over 5 is 8 over 0.8, 3.8, 3.8, 2.2, 2.2. Oh wait, sorry, it's negative 2.2. So negative 2.2, or you can also write in fraction, which is negative 15 over 5. Okay, so these are your answers.